Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to use Apple Cash on Amazon in 2025. It is quick, it's easy, and you'll be able to shop with your Apple Cash balance in just few minutes. Let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Amazon website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and hover over Accounts and Lists. Click on your payments under the Ordering and Shopping Preferences section. Now you're inside your payment settings. Here, click the Add a Payment Method button. Since we want to use Apple Cash, you'll need to link it through a debit card. So go ahead and select Add a Credit or Debit Card. Now grab your iPhone, open the Wallet app, and find your Apple Cash card. Tap the info icon, then tap card number. You might need Face ID or your passcode to view it. Enter the card number, your name, expiration date, and CVV exactly as shown in Apple Wallet. Once everything's filled out, hit Add your card to save it. And that's it. You have now added your Apple Cash as payment method on Amazon. The next time you check out, just select the card and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, I have promised.